Me never hesitate for rise my own. My bad from my born, and that's why me want so. People don't know them tune back in the days. Munga Honourable, the bad Ras, me used to call it himself. You understand? He is now in police custody. He turned himself into the Hunts Bay police station Monday evening. He was a person of interest as the police wanted to question him in relation to a murder that took place approximately 2 weeks ago, where a man was shot and killed in the ACKEE area of St. Andrew at a party, and the police believed or are of the opinion that Munga would be able to provide them with some information as it relates to their ongoing investigation. He turned himself in the company of his attorney, Christopher Townsend. He is pleading his innocence and say he had nothing to do with the incident or knows anything as it relates to the incident. So peace, based on my investigation and the information that is in the public space at the moment, it would suggest to me that the person who was killed in ACKEE was the person who is believed to have chopped and injured Munga in 2015. I know there was a story once where Munga was chopped to death. You understand? He was chopped in his community in St. Andrew. He received about 30 stitches in his shoulder. He was saying that the man was of unsound mind and something. So based on the information that I am seeing at the moment, it is believed that the man who was killed was the man who chopped Munga. You understand? I don't know if there is any truth to that, but based on the information that is currently available, it would suggest that. You understand? So the police, however, are not establishing a link between that 2015 incident and the death of the man. You understand? However, they would have said they wanted to speak to Munga. You understand? You know, people are going to point finger and say, yo, the man chopped the artist and this the artist back then, and the artist probably get back. You know people are going to say that. I don't know what the situation is. I cannot say A, B, C, nor D. I don't know the circumstances under which the man was shot and killed. But the article that I read just now, the article is in the Star. You understand? The article that I read is suggesting that there is some link between Munga's injury in 2015 and the police wanting him in their investigation, or to further their investigation into the death of the man at the party in ACKEE 2 weeks ago. So one more artist find himself in problems with the law. We see recently he got back his US visa, so I don't think he didn't really get himself involved in that. After all of this time, him just get back in visa. So I hope say nothing really in this, and the artist never involved in it, and him can continue with his career. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.